Welcome back to Blake's Den. This is my 1996 Land Rover Defender 300 TDI truck cab or pickup, and today I'm doing something I've wanted to do on it in some time, which is an audio system upgrade on it. So yeah, I'm going to jump inside now because it's quite cold out here. So what I'm planning on fitting is this StormBox Micro Bluetooth speaker. Actually got given this as a present for Christmas. It's now March and I'm just getting around to fitting it. That's how busy I've been. So yeah, that's the speaker there, just a square thing. It's quite loud actually, really good sound out of it, and it looks fairly discreet as well in the Land Rover. So my plan is to put it somewhere in the dashboard. Not quite sure where yet. There used to be a radio in this. Hence why that's been cut out. The radio should go up here. I did think about putting a radio in it, an actual radio, but I thought, you know, a Bluetooth speaker works fine for what I need. And just to show you how basic this Land Rover is, so that is for my interior light. So that setting there should be for the doors. That's on. Messes up the white balance. So yeah, it doesn't come on when the doors are open. You think, oh, why is that? And you have a look. It doesn't even have the sensor to do the interior light. It's that basic. In fact, this only has one optional extra, which is a step on the driver's side. Sorry, passenger side, no step at all. So I mean, we're talking basic motoring here. The speaker comes with a sort of rubber strap across the back, so you can tie it onto things. And I was trying to work out where to mount this. So that's the fuse box there. The cup holders are aftermarket, very decadent. I was thinking about maybe making a bracket and putting it there. But then how would I attach it onto the strap? Because the strap's the wrong way around. I'd have to put it that way around. Or I could put it over there. Not sure whether that'd be in the way. I thought I could put it there, but then I'd obscure the label. It doesn't quite fit in behind the gear lever. If we move up a bit, I thought I could go there. Possibly could go there. I mean, it could go in here. But the best place, I think, is actually on this panel. Sort of there. And obviously I've got the 12 volt power right next to it to charge it. Not that it needs charging very often. So I may go with that. So there's actually a much simpler solution here. Because I've already got that cut out there, I've just put the strap round the back and through that hole and connected it up there. So it's like that. I want this to be removable. I don't really want to leave it on show all the time. I want to be able to use it for other things, but I think there might be a good enough place for it. And then you've got the buttons here which do things, and then you've got the volume control here, the buttons underneath for off and on and for pairing. So I think I might leave it there and test it there and see how it goes. And if I ever need to charge it, I've got a USB cable. Yeah. USB type C, so I can just plug it in with 12 volt and then plug it in to charge it. So yeah, shall we see if it works? Let's test it. I've Bluetoothed my phone to the speaker, and I've got some copyright free music queued up so the YouTube music police doesn't come after me. So when I press play or pause, which is that button, there we are. Turn the volume up. It goes really loud. So I'm quite happy with how that sounds really. It's really good sound, almost like surround sound, which is pretty impressive considering the size of the cab on this. But the question is it possible to hear it over the sound of Solihull's finest 300 TDI engine? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start the engine up and we'll see if I can hear it. I've got the Land Rover started up now. Very rattly because it's very cold, but can we hear the music? I don't know about you, but I can hear that just fine. It's like really loud, and I don't think we're anywhere near the maximum volume. I think that's the maximum now. Pretty impressive. I'm really pleased with how that's worked out. I think it looks quite good on the dashboard. It looks fairly discreet with it being a sort of a dark grey black colour. I think that would look good in many sort of classic cars that don't have a radio, and you could mount it discreetly. It could go under the seat. I did think about putting it under the middle seat actually, and all you need to do is reach the button underneath to turn it on. There we are, turned on, turned off again. So yeah, really simple. So I'm not even going to run a live feed to it. I'm just going to charge it up as required off a 12 volt USB connector I've got in here to charge my phone. So yeah. So that's the product that I bought again, the Tribit StormBox Micro. I'll put a link below to it. I'm not being sponsored by them for this video. It's something, well, I say it's something I've been given. Yeah, so you know, my recommendation is purely my own. I'm not being paid by anyone to tell you that it's good. So yeah, we'll leave it there for now then. I'll report back in a later video to let you know how I'm getting on with it. So if you liked this video, don't forget to press like, please comment on the video, and please press subscribe. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.